The reason I stopped you is your temp tag's been expired since September of 2022.
Oh my.
That's the valid tag for the car?
I haven't got it switched over yet.
Okay. Sir, do you have your license on you? So you do have a license, but you don't have it on you? Okay. And you own the car, ma'am? Okay. Can I have your ID, please?
I don't have it, but I have my ID number.
Okay. Stand by, sir, okay? I think he doesn't have his ID. You got your notepad on you? You got a notepad on you?
No, I don't.
What's up?
You need one?
Use the bathroom? I need you to hang out here, okay? Hang out here for me, okay?
Try to use the bathroom, bro. That's
the
oldest trick in the book.
Alright, so what's your name?
Garrett.
What?
Garrett.
G-A-R-R-E-T-T. Date of birth?
2000.
2000? You know your social?
2000. I graduated high school in 2000. I was already half a grown man already in 2000. But Gen Z, for real, for real. Title of this video is Gen Z couple derails simple traffic stop. So, remember, call a friend, tell a friend, let them know Remy roams in the house. Keep thriving and surviving. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. Keep your vibes high.
By heart.
You don't know your social?
She literally cut it up like 2 weeks ago.
Alright. Ma'am, can I see that license plate, please? Thank you. He's a little nervous. Hey, Hunter. Stand by, 32 Foxtrot. Hey, no, stay with him. Stay with him. 32 Foxtrot. Yeah, I ID'd him. 32 Foxtrot, just watch him.
Joe Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Joe Jerome's in the house in your mouth like ooh, ooh.
Come step out of the car for me, please.
For what?
You have a suspended license.
I have a suspended license?
Yes, sir. Step out of the car for me, please.
For what?
Step out the car for me, bro.
Alright, man, I'm taking it. Bro, I have a broke finger. Look, I just have my x-rays and everything, bro.
Oh, look, boy, tried to dip on it. He tried to dip it low.
Chill, bro.
Put your hands behind your back.
Chill.
Yeah.
Y'all beat my ass. They beat my ass. Y'all, they beat my ass.
I'm not gonna use it.
Y'all, they beat my
I ain't doing nothing. Man, look, why is that everybody's reaction, dog? Yeah, and they ain't doing nothing to you like that. They ain't beating you up, bruh. Like, I feel like nowadays with the cops, people who get in trouble with the cops or they get taken down, something in their mind instantly says, do the most, act the most extreme, it's a lawsuit. You know what I mean? It just seems like instantly lawsuit for everybody. Even the last video I just did, girl got yanked out the car, lawsuit. I'm taking everything. Like, I feel like the generation now is just, this younger generation is just soft, man. Hey, look, I don't mean to offend anybody. I'm just saying, man, come on, bruh. They're not even doing nothing but take you to the, you tried to run, they took you to the ground, now you're getting your ass whooped. Come on now.
They beat my ass. Y'all, somebody record. They trying to arrest me over a suspended license. They trying to arrest me over a suspended license, bro.
So with the broke fingers, hey, air fried him. Look, fried him up. Oh, make some Vienna sausage up out of him.
Okay, man, chill. I have fractured vertebrae.
Oh, come on, bruh.
Stop, please. Just give me a second to breathe. Please, bro. I'm asking you, please.
I'm a taser. Just chill.
Again, I'm about to get back up.
Yo, chill. Yo, he's trying to...
Hey, got him again. Boy.
Yo, chill.
Boy, put you in a blender, boy.
Get the f*** off my gun right there.
Oh, Oh, you grabbed the gun?
He just punched me in the face! He just punched me in the face! No!
Stop pulling.
Okay.
Stop pulling.
Oh, I get him. Hey!
My wrist, I'm trying to pull him closer.
Taser, bruh. Man, threw him in a car.
My wrist is spinning license, bro.
You ran it for us, dummy. Shut up. It's not fault.
Shut up.
Get back in the car.
I have the right.
Get back in your car.
It's a freedom of
All right now. They're gonna make some popcorn out that wig if you go to hit you with that air fryer.
I don't get
she got that popcorn top on. You keep it up. They're gonna fry you. They're gonna hit with the air fryer. Her hair gonna fill up like the old school popcorn bags. Y'all remember the silver bags with pop, 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 pop. Look, they already done cooked him up. Okay, broke bones and all, broke fingers, broke back, everything. Okay, he already messed up. Boy say he got a burnt vertebrae. I got a backy enemy. I got 2 broke fingers. He got all type of stuff, and you can't do nothing. It's an escalated situation. Everybody's on 10, and you trying to have them make popcorn out your ass. Chill out.
How am I going to jail if I don't get back
All right,
in the car?
make some buttery popcorn up out you.
How am I going to jail if I don't go back in the car?
They about to lay down a mean demonstration on that popcorn. You can get movie pop.
You tried
Phone
to
don't stop. We about to have some
put his
movie
hand on my
pop.
taser. He told you to get back in the car.
Why? Because you guys are police?
No, you're interfering with the investigation. Am I going to jail too?
I got a baby in the back too, so if they want to go, yeah, they come.
No.
Oh, come on now.
Next time I tell you, go to jail.
My daughter's right here.
Wow.
Daughter's right here. Why you go hit my
Stupid.
car?
If we told you a million times.
It's right there.
Give you a million chances.
Somebody report this. My daughter is in the car and I have stopped the right to stand by the car because of my daughter, bro. My daughter's right there. I can't stand by my car because my daughter's right there.
Wow. That just went from bad to worse.
What is wrong with you? My daughter is right there.
Get in the car.
I can't. You got my arm.
Get in the car.
What is wrong with you? My daughter's right there, so I have to.
Crazy Fox trying to pull him out. He runs from us, so we start fighting.
I'm gonna get my lip back. Pain! Stone!
Way to go, jerk off. Stupid.
Over a suspended license,
Over
bro.
your felony warrant, bro. Over you running. Over you trying to grab a taser.
I was trying to push it off my back. I wasn't trying to grab it.
Over now you got like 4 felony charges. Stupid.
I'm gonna get my lip back. Who hit me in the face? Y'all man enough to hit me in the face. Take credit for it.
I did hit you.
You okay, buddy?
Yeah. He's 32 Foxtrot.
Okay.
We got him out. He started running, down to the ground, just fighting, kicking. He grabbed one of the guy's tasers. So I have Bat Leo and driving.
Okay. Are you injured at all?
You can f***ing fight though, right? You can fight with your broken vertebra in your finger.
Are you injured at all?
Okay.
Okay. Who else was involved?
Punching me in the face.
Who else was involved?
Me, Hunter, I forget who else. 209 battle.
Pissed off at me. You're gonna take your racism out on my baby mama.
Shut up, you f***ing clown. Just stop.
While the male suspect is transported to jail, the female's mother is called to the scene to pick up her baby, and she has some choice words for her daughter.
He got pretty aggressive, and actually we got into a tussling match with him and several officers trying to get him back in the vehicle. Unfortunately, your daughter was in the middle of it, and then the child was left in the vehicle.
So y'all get her for being involved?
That officer will be able to tell you more on that. I just want to make sure that the child was good.
Is she asleep?
You can go and check on her.
Hey, stay put. Hey, come get her car seat. Y'all pull in the car?
Yes.
Is there a way that I can speak with her?
You can speak with this officer.
That's not it, baby. You can't do it.
I was standing in my car. When I was standing right there, they didn't tell me to go to the car. They
listen to what you tell him.
So I get back, and I was back, and then they told me to go stand at my car, and that's where I was, at my car. I was standing at my car, and that's where he got me from, my car.
That's what's wrong with them. They taking him to jail. You angry, you're mad, you're upset because they taking him to jail.
Car, right?
But the thing
And I was
is,
at my car.
listen, baby, the thing is, they weren't arresting you. They weren't getting you for no traffic stop. You made your own self in this bullshit.
Stand at my car. Stand at my car.
Stand at your car, what? Screaming
Don't listen.
the way you were doing just then.
The offense was committed when you told my police officer no. I can rush you at any point during that time. If you think it's a good idea to tell me to off, you're going to realize what we're going to do with it. We're not playing it. This is a no bullshit law enforcement style action.
Your mama, don't tell me about struggle, baby, because I'm struggling with you. Do not let me run down with the struggle. But I'm not out here acting a damn fool. If you're struggling, anything you should be stopping and asking them to help you. You want me to replay that video again? He is the reason why. He is the reason why. From day one. I don't know how to get you out, but you have to get out and get your child, because my child is 14. And I have to work, and I have to work, and I have to work. I'm on the clock right now, here, trying to get her.
While the female was charged with resisting obstructing, the male suspect, Garrett, was charged with 2 counts of felony battery on a law enforcement officer, 2 counts of felony battery with a prior conviction, felony resisting with violence, felony attempting to deprive an officer of means or protection, knowingly driving with a suspended license, and operating an unregistered motor vehicle. They are both presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
We looked into Garrett's felony warrant that caused officers to take him into custody in the first place. It was for battery for a prior conviction, battery sudden snatching, felony tampering with a witness, and false imprisonment. We also looked into his criminal background and found that he's been involved in domestic violence situations with his girlfriend seen in the body cam footage.
Wow. So all around bad, bruh. Just all around bad. This is starting to be a stereotype that is true. This Gen Z generation, you can't tell them nothing. They don't listen. They don't want to listen. They refuse to listen. You can't tell them nothing. They don't want to do nothing. If they don't want to do it, it's going to be hard for this next generation to be in the workforce or just in general. You know what I mean? You can't. How do you just? There's rules for a reason. Trust me, I don't like rules. I don't like the rules either. But if you're trying to get ahead in life or you're trying to get somewhere, and somebody who has an authority and is trying to help you or stop you or whatever they're trying to, your best bet is to listen. I understand anger and all that stuff. I get it, man. But this is some things you got to know when to take the L. You know what I mean? Dude just had a bad rep. You got a DV, so that already messes up your character. You hitting the cops. You got warrants, you know what I'm saying? In their eyes, you are a bad guy. Or you made some bad choices. And her mama even tell you, when your mama is telling you, look, it's his fault, it's your fault, you can't argue with a cop at that point. She didn't even want to listen to her mama. I did with it. No, you made a bad choice. They told you, get your ass in the car. You should have gotten the car. You wasn't thinking. You wasn't being a mom. You wasn't being protective of your daughter. You too busy worried about this fool who got issues and think you can help. You can't help by screaming and yelling. You can't help by recording. It's not going to get you anywhere. It doesn't help you. It doesn't help you in court. It doesn't get you no lawsuit. None of that works. None of that works. This new generation needs some help, y'all. They need some help. I know when we was young, we knew when to get up out of there, or we knew when to stop messing around. We didn't sit there and put yourself in harm's way, and then sit there and fight and argue, and then talk yourself into jail. Dum. Got the goofy face with the popcorn hat on. Goofy pop face corn having that. Oh, man. Remember, call a friend, tell a friend, let them know Romy Rome's in the house, in your mouth. Keep thriving and surviving. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. Keep your vibes high. Be easy, y'all. Peace and love. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to the gods. Peace to the earth.